Patreon Tutorial 2024: How to use Patreon effectively. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you will be able to use and utilize Patreon over here as efficiently as possible, and of course how to use it as well. Now, if you don't know, Patreon is basically a platform that allows you to sell or have a page for your different fans to send you money or to sell different things. In Patreon, this is where you will be able to redirect your different fans if they want to buy some of your merch, and this is where you will be able to easily set it up. Now, if you're someone who has been actively using the social media, you might notice that some of your favorite YouTubers or your Instagram artists or some of your favorite people in YouTube, they have their own Patreon, and you could easily support them by buying things or paying for things inside of Patreon. And so maybe you're in today's video because you want to know how they are able to set those up. So over here, I have created a new Patreon account, and there's already 5 basic things that we need to set up to allow us to fully set up our Patreon and send it to other people and start getting money. So over here, the different things that we need to set up are, of course, add your profile, describe your page, let people know who you are and what you'll be using your Patreon for. Maybe you're creating a Patreon for donations, like for example, you're trying to have a fundraising for cancer, or like fundraising for donating the money to someone else, something like that. You could describe your page, describe it however you want, put in as much information, as much details, like where you will be able to, or where you will be sending the money to, all of those things. And over here, make your first public post. Of course, let your fans know what to expect with a welcome post or something like that. It just allows people to know what they're going to do and what will be happening. And then, of course, publish your page. This is like a website or like a platform that your members will be able to view. So, to get started, let's create our Patreon by clicking on Create over here on the bottom left. And over here, we have different types. So we have text, which is the most simple one. We have video. There's also audio if you want to record yourself and show that to the people. You also have image, links, and polls over here, and even the live stream. People have Patreons in their live stream, so that is something as well. So let's start with the basic one, a text version. So over here, we're going to add our title and of course type something. So for our title, let's go with something simple for now. Let's say, help me achieve enough for my surgery. So something like this. Then you could type on description over here, whatever you want to have. So recently I have been a victim of an accident and I need surgery, but I don't have money. So something like this. Of course, make a better post. It can't be as demanding as what I am sounding here. It's like I'm asking for help, something like that. But I guess you guys would be able to create a better text post than me. But anyway, you can also add some creations over here, so people or your fans can explore your works with collections of related posts. So you could put in your different collections over here. You could also add tags, and you could also add some attachments over here. So we could also preview what it looks like right now, as you can see. So this is what people will be seeing. They have their heart, their comments, their more actions over here. We could view it in a mobile web. This is what this is going to look like. And you could also view it in an email. So over here, we're simply going to click on next. And as you can see here, publishing options, who can access this post. You have public, set the release date, all of those things. Let's simply click on publish right now. And we will be able to see it, as you can see here on our page. So let's preview our page, actually, my page, so that we could see what our page looks like. And as you can see right now, we have our post over here. So now we could also upload other things over here: video, audio, image, links, and many more. We could also check out payouts over here on the left side. As you can see, keep Patreon safe. So to prevent fraud, make sure make Patreon a safe platform for everyone. Make sure that you read the information to help support keeping them safe. So you can add a payment method over here so that you will be able to have a section to receive money from. But of course, you're going to have to become a creator under this section. And ways to earn money, as you can see here, start a paid membership, and you could also sell digital products. So we can get started with the paid membership. Over here, as you can see, people will be able to access certain features or certain content that they have. So click on get started over here and simply follow the instructions over here. So you're going to enter a tier name. So let's say bros. You have a monthly price, maybe $10 per month. And then you can enter here, you will get exclusive contents. And then you can add a cover photo over here, add benefits if you want. And you can also have a free trial if you want. And then you can click on save. Now, if you want your fans to be able to have access to exclusive content, something like that, or to be able to watch your content, read your different information, you can add a paid membership over here. Then you can add another tier if you want. So maybe like here, Bro Plus, something like that. And this one you have $30 instead of 10, and then you have more benefits than that, or than the previous one. And we also saw that there is another one that we have, which is the shop. So we can start selling digital products as well. As you can see here, you can easily add products by clicking on add products over here. Enter the title over here. So let's say photo of my cat. Then we can see here 20. Then you have your description. Then you have your product file, of course, your image, or whatever your product type is. You have your product file, preview, and many more. So simply enter or input all the necessary information. Click on agree to Patreon terms and condition, and simply click on publish. Then you will also be able to see a preview of your product over here. Now this can be a source of or a platform where you could sell your different tiers or different membership, view your different posts, live stream, all of those things. This is a platform where you could redirect a lot of your customers or a lot of your fans to support you with your journey as a content creator or whatever content creator as you are. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.